my room. Ever since Chloe moved out, it's been a hot mess. Seriously, this is bad. Even for me. What am I gonna do? I know. I can call my fairy crafter. I can get her to redecorate the place and maybe clean up a little. Oh, Froggy! Froggy! It's Sophie. Time to go to the Dollyverse. Seriously, Froggy, where are you? Watch out down below! Yes! I am really getting good at this. Excuse me. Over here, Froggy. What's up, Sophie? Nice to see you again, Froggy. You too. And let me just say that I love visiting the Dollyverse, even though I haven't had a lot of time to do much exploring. And while I would love to take you on a tour, there's just no time. I need something. Okay, well, what do you need? A newly decorated room! And some light housekeeping would be nice. Well, I don't know about the housekeeping. I'm pretty sure you can do that on your own. But decorations? I can handle. Fine. But there's a catch. Huh? Can we go on a quick tour of the Dollyverse? Yeah, sure. Why not? Yay! Wow, I've been building this place for years, but it's so different when you get to walk through it. Yeah, I guess it's pretty great, but it would be a lot nicer if all the doors actually opened. Hey, some projects are more difficult than others. Now take me to the coffee shop. Star Frog's Coffee. Now this is what I'm talking about. Can I get a latte, but with almond milk, please? Sure, coming right up. I just ordered coffee in the Dollyverse. Sophie, I don't think you realize how amazing this is. Where should we go next? How about my house? So you can make my decorations. Don't worry, Sophie, I got you. Have I ever let you down? Still waiting on that amusement park. Your coffee is ready. Coffee. Oh no, don't drink the coffee. It's bad. It tastes like nail polish. Is this what I think it is? The curl up and dye salon? Come on, Sophie, we gotta go inside. I wouldn't do that if I were you. Why don't we ever have customers? Don't worry, somebody will show up. They always do. What's up? A customer? Would you like your hair colored or cut? I think purple would look really nice on you. Not today! You can't talk to just anyone in the Dollyverse, or you might end up with a bad hair day. This is your high school, isn't it? Yep, I'm kind of the queen bee around here. Can I meet Miss Tremaine? She's one of my favorites! Okay, but then we have to go back to my house and decorate.
Sophie, is that you raising your voice in my school?
Sorry, Miss Tremaine. Miss Tremaine! What's up, girl?
What is going on here?
Sorry, don't mind her. She's just visiting from out of town.
Do you two have hall passes?
Gotta go. Now let's get home so we can do some crafting. And when I say we, I really mean you. Is that the Mystery Shack? Do you think Mabel and Dipper are inside? Look, Sophie, it's Pit Cola. Do you have $20 so we can go inside? Trust me, it's not worth it. Okay, time to get crafty. Awesome. I'll be over here if you need me. Well, you have a lot of unused wall space right here. So maybe we can make something for the wall. I'm gonna need some cardboard, scraps of yarn, and a stick. I start by taking a piece of cardboard and cut small slits at the top and bottom. See them at the bottom and at the top. Take some twine or yarn and run it through the slits, going around the next one and all the way down to the bottom. To make a loom, take a stick, weave it between the yarn, push it to the top, then take more yarn, weave the yarn through the loom, going under every other, back and forth, add different types of yarn To create patterns for a great look, carefully remove it from the cardboard by taking the loops out of the slits. Push the yarn to the top for a snug fit. Tie the strings at the bottom. Use glue to secure the ends on the back. And remember to always have adult supervision when working with hot objects. Trim off the excess. Glue thread to the back to make a handle to make a woven wall hanging. There you go. Then we can add a bookshelf and a cute little chair to make a cozy corner. Wow, this is pretty cute. Now maybe you can clean up the other side of the room. Nice try, Sophie. We want to give a shout out to Emmy Ravenscale Barbie. What's up? Froggy, are you still here? Yeah? Do you want to go and explore some more? Yes! Okay, where to next? The treehouse, right over here. Oh, and you can look for the Froggy Fresh Doll at thefreshdolls.com. Link in the description box below.